evening, everyone. Thank you for joining webinar AI-driven curriculum design, preparing students for the future workforce. I'm Rohini Shah, and I'll be your host for this exciting session today. We're thrilled to have Neha Yadav with us. Neha is a seasoned technical trainer with over 18 years of experience in training and curriculum development. She's been a pioneer in leveraging AI tools to innovate education and get students future ready. Feel free to drop your questions in the chat during the session, and Neha will address them in our Q&A segment. Let's dive right in. Neha, to start off, can you please tell us why AI is becoming such a crucial part of curriculum design today?
Thank you so much, Rohini, for joining for this program, this webinar, and I thank you all for being here. So, your question is why AI is becoming such a crucial part of curriculum design today. AI is fundamentally changing how we think about education. Traditionally, if I talk about curriculum design, has been more static and one size fits all. Like if there are 50 students in class, all will study in the same format. No one will go here and there, no changes, no customization. But with AI, we can personalize learning experiences based on each student's strengths, their weaknesses, and learning preferences. Nowadays, everyone have their own skill sets, their own knowledge, their own way of learning. Few people like to work more with videos, few are very comfortable with reading, few are good with a combination of both. So AI driven tools allow educators to create adaptive curriculums that evolve with the student, ensuring they are well prepared for the future workforce. So, in short, if we consider AI is really a crucial part of our curriculum design because of the ability to customize it, to work with it in a very adaptive manner. So that's why AI is crucial. Thank you.
Amazing response, Neha. I'm sure it is definitely going to bring in a new flavor in the future curriculum. Moving on, I just wanted to ask you, what are some of the most impactful AI tools that educators can start using today to enhance their curriculum?
If you go on web, you will find a lot. There are several AI tools making a big difference in education. You just simply search for AI tools and you will get a good amount of tools. You will get a list of it, I would say. So tools like adaptive learning platforms, AI powered assessment tool, and personalized tutoring systems can help teachers identify students' need in real time and provide targeted support to them. For example, platforms like Coursera and EdTech AI are using AI to recommend courses and learning paths based on individual student profiles. These tools can be integrated into classroom to create a more interactive and personalized learning experience. So nowadays, if you consider any training provider or any organization who is in this sector, this industry or segment, they are using AI to offer a customized learning path, online, offline, combination of self learning, or maybe on site. So different. So with different combinations, students get most, or I would say better results in their education segment. Thank you.
It's quite fascinating. I think it's all about personalization today and catering to individuals' need. And I think AI just makes the life easy by using the data available and, helping the companies to get their, even, build their sales strategies or the marketing strategies, I must say.